Two-step addition problems are basically what they sound like. We're going to break down an addition calculation into 2 steps instead of just 1. We will use the number line to communicate the process, but the calculation itself will be done symbolically. Example, compute 32 plus 45. Conceptually, we want to start from 0, move 32 steps to the right, and then another 45 steps to the right. But most people aren't able to immediately see where the process stops. But if we break the process down into 2 smaller steps, it becomes a lot easier to conceptualize. Specifically, instead of moving 45 steps all at once, we can move 40 steps followed by 5 steps. 32 plus 40 is 72, and 72 plus 5 is 77. We will express this idea symbolically in the following manner. 32 plus 45 is equal to 32 plus 40 plus 5. Start from 32, move 40 spaces to the right, and then 5 more spaces to the right. From here, we add working from left to right. 32 plus 40 is 72, and we still need to add the 5. 72 plus 5 is 77. Notice that the equal signs are lined up vertically. This is an important aspect of the presentation as it keeps all of the information organized and easy to follow. Students often learn to add numbers in columns. There are some good reasons for doing this. For example, this helps students to understand the concept of place values. It also helps them to perform large calculations in a systematic manner. But in algebra, we almost never add in columns. So it is important that we start to transition away from that form of presentation and move towards the left to right presentation that we will be using in algebra. Example, compute 71 plus 38. We will do this calculation without the number line this time. 71 plus 38 equals. We're going to break up the second number into 2 simpler numbers, 71 plus 30 plus 8. And then we will do the calculation from left to right. 71 plus 30 is 101. We still need to add the 8. 101 plus 8 is 109. Students at this point often complain about having to write out every problem like this. They often want to skip steps and take other shortcuts. Do not do that. How you write affects how you think. We want you to develop healthy patterns of thinking now so that in the future you won't have to relearn these things. If you get into the habit of taking shortcuts now, you're setting yourself up for difficulties in the future. Don't worry, you won't be writing every single calculation like this forever. It's just a few sections where you'll be doing this.